Virtually 2 here. This is going to be video number 6. I'm trying to find the orifice tube where I can maybe up in here on this vehicle. I followed the liquid lines here, trying to find out where this orifice tube may be. Look like from the dryer, that's one whole piece coming from the dryer back to the firewall. And this other section here that's coming from the dryer has the safety connector there. I'm gonna look under there for the orifice tube. I'm following my line all the way down, and this one goes straight to the AC compressor, which I just installed. Can see it being there, so my only option so far is looking under here, so I need to disconnect it there. It's not under pressure, so there's no pressure in the line, so let's proceed to take that loose and see what's going to happen. I'm going to put it over the line here. It's not a lot of room. That's too small. Let me try this black one. And the black one may be too small also. The black one may be perfect. Slides right over there. I'm going to push up on that. I got my tool and I'll be able to push forward and wiggle this out. I heard it snap a little bit. So I got to kind of work it out. Back past this here. It came out, but I did not see an orifice tube nowhere. So that means it's somewhere else. I was hoping it was here, but there's nothing there. At least I can't see anything. I'm going to search and find another line and search there. There's another clip back this way and right under there. Let's see that. I am searching for the orifice tube here in one of these lines, and this is my first line, liquid line I took loose here. This one comes from the dryer and goes over, look like to compressor, but there's no orifice tube there. I checked on both sides unless it blew down in there, but I'm not sure about that. So also I went under the vehicle. Under the vehicle, I took this line loose, this liquid line, and no orifice tube there on either side. Then I went above that and took this line loose, no orifice tube there. I looked on both sides and no orifice tube, so there's 3 lines that I have taken loose here. And I mean, where else do you look? Where is the orifice tube on this 2005 Ford Taurus? Now, virtually 2. Help! I checked the lines on both sides of the connections and no orifice tube. Where is the orifice tube on this 2005 Ford Taurus? I have searched all over the place. 3 lines disconnected. No orifice tube to be seen. We connect this line. Should hit snap. Like that. Get my clamp back on there. We have the high side, the biggest spindle. Pull this up. Nothing on. The left side is back there off the firewall. And the high side is right there up front on top. Everything connected. Get everything connected here. Even to the compressor. Had to set up on the bracket because the hole wasn't long enough. So, gotta monitor it, make sure it doesn't vibrate off. It could be fine, done it before. Put on my hole disconnected, ready for the vacuum on this system. Something like that. Put a vacuum on the system. I'm gonna open up those. I said I'm gonna turn my pump on. Vacuum. Not really loud. I'm gonna open up my gauges there.